Today we're going to talk about Laos. It was founded July 19th, 1949. The population is 6.8 million. The languages spoken are Lao, Hmong, and Khmer. The capital is Vientiane. Laos has certain landscapes and landmarks. One of the landscapes is the Mekong River, which is the world's 12th longest river and runs through several Asian countries. One of the key landmarks are the Buddhist monasteries, which exist in several villages. The climate in Laos is separated into 3 seasons: the hot, wet, and dry. And as you can see from this graph here, the wet season is predominantly between May and September. The product that I'll be talking about today is gypsum, or calcium sulfate dihydrate. It comes from the root word gypsos, meaning plaster, and it's also known in Old English as spear stone. The dehydrated gypsum comes from quarries in Paris, and is used for building things, and it was also nicknamed plaster of Paris. When water is added to plaster of Paris, the hydrated form, also known as gypsum, is made, and it is capable of hardening when you have molded it and let it sit to dry. Gypsum is found in mines, typically where mines have formed near lagoons or where ocean waters high in calcium and sulfate have accumulated, and there's a constant source of replenishing water. In 2015, there was about 989.52 tons of gypsum mined in Laos. In Laos, the largest mine is the Ban Lao Maka mine, which is located in the Savannakhet province. In 2016, the average cost of mining gypsum was about $9 per metric ton in Laos. Here are 2 images. One image depicts in the red area the location of this mine on the map of Laos. Through a process called calcining, the powder is heated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which removes most of the water. The activation energy for this reaction is 66.9 kilojoules per mole. Transportation of gypsum involves methods that are similar to other types of construction materials, such as sheetrock or concrete. Synthetic gypsum can be made by flue gas desulfurization, where sulfur dioxide in the exhaust from coal power plants can be removed. Another method of synthesizing gypsum is by the process of desalination of brackish water, where gypsum precipitates out onto a membrane. Gypsum is formed when calcium carbonate reacts with a sulfide molecule, producing a calcium sulfide molecule and carbon dioxide. This reaction is thermodynamically favored due to a delta G value of negative 288.2 kilojoules per mole. Hydrated gypsum is formed when that calcium sulfide molecule reacts with 2 molecules of water and a molecule of oxygen to form the calcium sulfate dihydrate. The calcium sulfide is oxidized and hydrated to form this hydrated product. Gypsum is used in many products, from your hair care to your foot cream, so it's got you covered from head to toe. It's also used in surgical splints. It removes the stickiness of dough while baking. It allows for the coagulation of tofu, a major source of dietary calcium in Asian communities. Gypsum is also used as a soil conditioner by removing aluminum toxicities, and is also a source of sulfur for plants. It has also been shown to remove pollutants from water such as arsenic and lead.
These are my references. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.